I need to take off this plate here. I'm going to need to let the grease out because that's what keeps it tight. It's an 11/16. And there we go. Watch the grease come out. Going? Well, that's sucking. Oh, it is. It's totally working, huh? Okay, stop. So this side's in. All right. You're a genius. Stop. Yeah, that's not quite. Oh, if you kick it one more time, it might go. It's moving. Oh, it's so close. All right, go ahead and go. Keep going. I think it'll pop in actually. Popping in. There you go.
Okay, stop.
On there? On there. All right. You're so close. That's good. Yeah. Good?
Yeah.